I'm Bal Bhatla, better known as Mr. Whisper. I'm a professional street and travel photographer based in London. I've had a pretty dedicated journey with the XT series, starting with the XT1 through to the XT4, so when I was invited to try out the XT5, I was extremely excited. The new size of the camera really helps because every kilogram or kilo counts when you're on the move. I carry my office with me, my camera never sits on a tripod, so being able to save any little bit of weight is going to help me and my work in the future. I knew that Stockholm had to be the destination to put it through its paces. Firstly, because Stockholm has the most beautiful underground in the world, and secondly, above ground, it's got an incredible nightlife scene which is lit up by neons throughout the city. So it's really great territory for street photography. My journey into photography began at about the same time Instagram launched. I was immediately addicted and I found myself posting relentlessly for about 2 years. After that, some pretty cool brands started to get in touch and commission me to start doing some work. And at that point, I thought this would be a pretty good time to take photography seriously. So for this project, I used the 16mm, the 33mm, and the latest generation 56mmF1.2. The new 56 coupled with the new 5th generation sensor is an absolute treat. The new autofocusing and subject tracking is super rapid, which means that I'm never missing a shot. With the 40 megapixel sensor, I'll be able to crop more comfortably and not lose any image quality. I guess my everyday process or the way that things unfold is quite organic. I'll be walking down the street, I might see something that catches the corner of my eye. However, it's the smaller details I find that can inspire my work. So it might be little combinations of light or the way that two people are interacting to add something extra or emotional that people will be able to connect to within the scene. The best thing about the size of the camera is that the ergonomics have also been adjusted. I often use the camera one-handed, and the fact that the grips and the thumb rest have both been ergonomically changed very slightly just give it a much more fitting grip in my hand. The new tilt screen has gone back to the way of the X-T3, so that's the absolute ideal orientation for my photography. When I'm shooting landscape, portrait, I can quickly adjust it. And the IBIS has been a fundamental feature since it was introduced with the X-T4. So I'm super happy to see it continued on the X-T5. The new base ISO of 125 is going to be very helpful for me, especially because I really enjoy to print my work. So I think I'm really going to be able to see the benefits there when I see my work physically in the real world. But again, the clarity that I've been getting from my low light images, I've never seen anything before on a Fujifilm system. With the new Fujifilm X-T5 and all its new features, it's an absolute powerhouse. The new performance and the subtle design changes just leave me so excited, and I can't wait to get out onto the streets of London with it.